Hello everyone, I'm Andy. This is my extra credit video on reflection interference, question number 1. The question is, blue light having a wavelength of 490 nanometers in a vacuum interferes constructively after being reflected from a soap bubble. What is the minimum thickness that allows this to happen? The index of refraction for the soap is 1.33. First, we list out all the values given, and we figure out what we need to solve for. We need the wavelength of uh, blue light in the soap bubble, and we also need to find T, which is our thickness. First of all, we find the wavelength of our index of refraction of the soap. We start with this formula and we rearrange it to this, and we have our value of our wavelength of blue light in the air, and we divide it by our given index of refraction of the soap, and we get 368.4 nanometers. Then we need to find our T, thickness of the constructive interference, and we use this formula, which is given to us in our manual. We know that m is equal to 0 because this is the minimum thickness, and m only goes all the way to 0, so it's 0. But then we rearrange the formula to isolate T, and we get T is equal to 1/2 of 368.4. T is equal to 1/4 of 368.4, which is 92 nanometers. All right. Hope this helped.